Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Highguard game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen issue, or black screen problem on PS5. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4 is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one work for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Now press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Now your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Now use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next, select the rebuild database OK. And then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to restore license. So on your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and then go to restore license. Select Highguard game and then select restore option. Select yes to confirm and after this launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to disable enable HDCP. So go to PS5 setting, select system and then choose HDMI tab, turn off enable HDCP and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8 is to delete game data and cache. Now please take a note. You must make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage delete. Select Highguard and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try again and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to change DNS settings manually. So go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change the DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and hit OK. And then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Again launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 10, reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall and then reinstall the Highguard game and check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Highguard game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Highguard game crashing, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, stuck on black screen or black screen issue on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.